Hi all, welcome back to my vegan channel here on YouTube, Hosted the Vegan, and we're going to do a quick snack. We have chickpeas. I dried them out with a couple paper towels. Now I'm going to add some hot sauce. And then after I do so, as you see what I'm doing here, stirring them around, seasoning them here with the hot sauce. Then I will throw them in the air fryer container. As you see there. They're all out. $370 or $400. I think I'm gonna do 400. 400, as you can see right here. And there you go. 15 minutes. So I'll see you back in 15 minutes and we'll see how well they come out. Okay, let's see, we're back. They're finished. And I had time to take a shower and change. I'm sure you can hear them. How crispy and stuck to the bottom. Some of them are stuck. Oops. There we go, here they are. Okay. Let's see how crunchy. Crunchy, but not crunchy. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. You hear that? Yeah, not bad. You heard them? I bring them closer to you so you can see them. I don't know if you can hear me crunching them. Next time I do them, I'm going to let them dry. So you hear that? Crunchy. Okay, that's it. Well, thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you soon.